Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 28th December. Let's start. In the year of 1612, on this day Galileo observed the planet Neptune and called it is a stable star. In the year of 1836, on this day Spain recognized the independence of Mexico. In the year of 1885, on this day the Indian National Congress Party was founded. It is founded by A.O. Hume. In the year of 1895, on this day, for the first time in the history of cinema, a story was made into a film. The film was made by the French inventors, the Lumiere brothers, who are called the fathers of the film industry. In the year of 1926, on this day, Imperial Airways started passenger and postal service between India and England. In the year of 1928, on this day, the first talkie film, Melody of Love, was screened in Kolkata. In the year of 1932, on this day, Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of the business giant Reliance Industries, was born. In the year of 1937, on this day, Ratan Tata, an Indian industrialist, was born. In the year of 1942, on this day, Robert Sullivan became the first pilot to fly 100 times over the Atlantic Ocean. In the year of 1966, on this day, China conducted a nuclear test at Lopnor. In the year of 1977, on this day, Sumitra Nandan Pant, who was called the Hindi poet of Chayavadi era and a soft poet of nature, passed away. In the year of 1983, on this day, India's legendary batsman Sunil Gavaskar broke the record of legendary batsman Sir Don Bradman by scoring his 30th century in the Madras Test against the West Indies. In the year of 1984, on this day, Congress won the Lok Sabha elections under the leadership of Rajiv Gandhi. In the year of 2012, on this day, Juromon Kimura of Japan became the oldest living person in the world at the age of 115 years and 266 days. In the year of 2013, on this day, Aam Aadmi Party formed the government in Delhi with the support of Congress. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first driverless train on Delhi Metro's Magenta Line, Janakpuri West to Botanical Garden. The Prime Minister also launched the National Common Mobility Card services on the Airport Express Line. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off the 100th Kisan Rail. The 100th run of Kisan Rail was flagged off from Sangola in Maharashtra to Salimar in West Bengal. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian space startup Skyroot Aerospace successfully test-fired a solid propulsion rocket engine named Kalam 5. With this, it became the first private company in the India to successfully design, develop and test a full solid fuel rocket stage. In the year of 2020, on this day, Mayiladuthurai was inaugurated as the 38th district of Tamil Nadu. The district was inaugurated by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy. In the year of 2020, on this day, AU Small Finance Bank had announced a strategic partnership with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance to offer life insurance solutions. The objective of the tie-up is to provide paperless, secure, and hassle-free life insurance. In the year of 2020, on this day, ICICI Bank had announced that it is collaborating with Google to issue FASTag. It has become the first bank to join hands with Google Pay to issue FASTag. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan launched India's first indigenously developed vaccine against pneumonia. The pneumococcal conjugate vaccine (PCV) named Pneumocil has been developed by the Pune-based Serum Institute of India in collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and PATH, an international non-profitable global health organization based in Seattle. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.